What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily. Let's get into the news. The first story of the day is about a color for the Pixel 3a and 3a XL. These are going to be budget Pixel phones, or budget depending upon the price that actually comes out. It'll definitely be less than the 3 and 3 XL. But anyways, the color that's going to be coming out, as you can see right here, is a new iris purple color. And if it looks anything like this photo, I would be all in. I really like that lilac, purplish kind of looking color. It looks amazing. And then with the blue button on the side there to accent it, it looks really, really cool. What do you guys think? Next up, YouTube TV, which is a live streaming TV service where you can stream like NBC and ESPN and all other kinds of networks as well for a subscription fee, is now available in every US television market. Before, it was only like, I think it started off at like, I don't know, 25% of the markets, and then 50, and then it got up to 98. Now it's every single television market in the United States. So if you been wanting to sign up for this service, you should now be able to. I used it for a little bit. It's not too bad. It has a built-in DVR, which is really, really nice, and it's really easy to use. You can use it on any device that you have it be a tablet, a computer, an Android TV box. I believe it's on almost every device that you can get. So it's actually pretty cool. Check it out if you want to, because it should be available where you are in the United States. And our last story of the day is about the Galaxy Fold phone. And we've been getting some more stories as the time has gone on about this phone, because it's coming out next month, April, and we're only a few days away from April. So pre-orders and orders being shipped out should begin in April. And it looks like Samsung has put out an official video showing this phone being folded time after time after time. And just if you wanted to get a look at it, and it's being done by a machine. The other part of this is that it should be able to be folded 200,000 times, which equates out to 100 times a day, which equates out to 5 years of folding. It should be able to withstand that. Now that's a lot of folding, and that's a great thing, obviously, to be able to fold that many times. Most people don't keep their phone for 5 years. I know some of you do. I personally don't. But I think most people, the sweet spot is probably about 2 years. So you should be able to fold this a whole hell of a lot of times over 2 or 3 years, depending upon how long you keep your phone. And plus, I think the people that are gonna even keep a phone for 2 or 3 years probably won't buy this phone anyway. It's a $2,000 phone. So I highly doubt a lot of people are gonna be purchasing this phone anyway that would be affected by a 5-year time limit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, what TV service do you subscribe to? Is it YouTube TV, Hulu TV, Sling TV, cable TV, or maybe you don't subscribe to anything and you just watch YouTube and Twitch? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm kind of in the middle, so I watch a lot of YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, stuff like that, but mostly just YouTube. Let me know what you guys do. Thanks for watching. We'll see you down the road.